Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your speaker QCY SP7 on your Android device. And basically you have a few options how to check it. The first one is to use a control panel. Firstly, if you enable pop-up in the application, you can check it right here. Here's battery percentages. But also we can check it in the Bluetooth. So of course if you connect your speaker with your phone and the speaker turn on. And right here we have battery percentages. Next option is to go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and check it right here. And on some devices, like on my PC Lite, I can click at the settings icon near to my speaker, or you have maybe information icon, and check it right here. But it's not available on all devices, and right here we have the same information as in the previous window. The last option is to use an application. You need to open QCY app, and if you add your speaker to the application, you will see the battery level right here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!